visit the queen in our winter tree to see who she will next choose to join our friends as they make art, fun, and other good tidings.
Queen, Queen, who will it be? Who will it be? Yes, Queen Bird, yes, who will you choose? Yes, who will you choose this time, Your Majesty? Do not fret, my darlings. My decision is not yet final, but I have always sent the best help. Lest we not forget Owen, the orange pumpkin bird in October, Andy, the autumn bird in November. I must look at the flock of birds that winter has to offer before I choose the most perfect companion. Bring them to me. Come forth, young birds, and let the queen see your offerings. Here be the distinguished chappies.
Good day. We are the smartest of the winter birds.
No. You two will not do it all. We're not here to write scholarly papers. We are here to provide art and joy to the children.
Here be the climbers of ice.
We are the icy climbers. We climb to success.
Though you may be impressive ice climbers, your cold feet will not do for the warmth of Mr. Jacob's art time.
Here be the snow sisters.
Ha! We're the Snow Sisters, the most fashionable ones, of course.
No, for without question, I am the most fashionable. Oh, Your Majesty, whatever will we do? We must ask the all-knowing bird. He will know the answer. There is another. Look to the wreath. I am Windy, the whimsical winter bird. Oh! Oh! She is the one foretold. She's beautiful. She's everything we need, everything they need. She shall be the chosen bird. And so it was that the next bird of December was chosen. The sun set and the moon rose, and tomorrow and the next would Windy the winter bird help with Mr. Jacob and Miss Marissa as they discover merriment and joy in December's art time.